This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Axel Schroeder. Look what's happening in Old Bridge. Available now, your business will thrive in this excellent location, multifunctional building, zoned for general business use, retail, office or workshop, could be printing, locksmith, repair shop or most other business applications. 1,700 square feet including garage plus 3 parking spaces. Inquire to Axel Schroeder 7325582331 for more information, review the details below or contact Axel Schroeder at 732-558-2331.